M105 and M106 GPS drones, professional 1080 PhD aerial photography drones with 3-axis gimbal, laser obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, GPS FPV quadcopter. Unlock the sky with the M105 and M106 GPS drones, powerful and feature-rich aerial photography drones designed for beginners, enthusiasts, and professionals alike. With 1080 PhD cameras, 3-axis mechanical gimbals, laser obstacle avoidance, and GPS-assisted smart flight. These drones deliver stable, smooth, and cinematic footage at an unbeatable value. Whether you're capturing nature, surveying land, filming content, or just enjoying the thrill of flight, the M105 and M106 offer a high-tech, reliable flying experience in a compact and foldable design. Movie camera 1080 PhD camera plus 3-axis gimbal, capture clear and stable shots. Both the M105 and M106 drones are equipped with true 1080p high-definition cameras, capable of delivering sharp photos and smooth video recordings. What sets them apart is the integrated 3-axis mechanical gimbal, a rare feature in this price range, that stabilizes footage across pitch, roll, and yaw, eliminating shaky video and delivering professional quality shots. Ideal for travel vlogging, outdoor adventures, real estate footage, and cinematic shots. Gimbal stabilization ensures smooth, steady visuals even during fast or windy flights. GPS smart flight, fly smarter, not harder. The M105, M106 drones come equipped with a GPS plus GLONASS dual positioning system, ensuring high-precision navigation and intelligent flight functions. This means safer, more stable, and more enjoyable flights, even for beginners. Smart flight modes include Auto Return to Home, RTH, drone returns safely with one tap, or automatically if battery is low or signal is lost. Follow Me mode, drone automatically tracks your movement. Round pushpin waypoint flight, create custom paths for the drone to follow. Cyclone orbit mode, circle around a chosen point of interest for dynamic 360 degrees shots. Paper gesture control, snap photos or start video recording with simple hand gestures. Shield laser obstacle avoidance, fly with confidence. With a 360 degrees laser-based obstacle avoidance system, the M105 and M106 detect and dodge obstacles in real time, helping you avoid crashes and fly more safely, especially in tight spaces or indoor environments. Lift-type laser sensor, deployed only when needed to preserve sleek design. Perfect for beginners learning to fly in complex environments. Brushless motors, power, speed and durability. Forget noisy, weak-brushed motors. Both models are powered by efficient, low-noise brushless motors that offer longer lifespan and lower maintenance, more power and better wind resistance, smoother, quieter flights. Whether you're flying for fun or work, these motors provide the reliability you need. Battery extended flight time, modular battery system. Equipped with high-capacity modular lithium batteries, the M105 and M106 offer up to 20 minutes of flight time per charge. The batteries are easy to install, fast charging, and designed with safety in mind. Optional extra batteries can extend your flying time for longer sessions. Real-time FPV via 5G Wi-Fi. See what your drone sees. Pair your smartphone with the drone via 5G Wi-Fi to receive real-time first-person view, FPV, transmission directly from the onboard camera. View, record, and share your aerial shots instantly. App control. Access all smart flight modes and camera features through an easy-to-use mobile app. What's included in the box for M105 or M106? One M105 or M106 GPS drone, foldable. One remote controller. One rechargeable modular battery. One charging cable, USB. 4 spare propellers. One screwdriver. One user manual. One storage case, optional. Quick specs overview. Camera 1080 PhD. Stabilization 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Motors brushless motors. Obstacle avoidance 360 degrees laser system. Positioning system GPS plus GLONASS. Flight modes Follow Me, Waypoint, Orbit, Gesture. Flight time up to 20 minutes. Control range up to 500 meters. Conditions vary. Transmission 5G Wi-Fi FPV. Foldable design, portable and travel ready. Why choose M105 or M106? Affordable, professional grade drone. 3-axis mechanical gimbal, rare at this level. HD camera for crisp video, photos. Intelligent GPS flight and return to home. Obstacle avoidance for safer flying. Ideal for beginners, hobbyists and casual pros. Lightweight, foldable, and travel friendly.